So as you're working on your orientation this week, the first day you'll come and get your handouts. When you open up the directions, it just reminds you to get a signature on this first worksheet by Friday. You're going to add it here, a picture of that signature. You can attach it through Google Drive, a link, or the file itself. So take the picture with your phone or with an iPad, upload it here, hit submit to get your 10 points and get that turned in. Tear the strip off the bottom and bring it to 313 by Friday. Here's what that welcome flyer looks like. So remember, our program is giving you time, place, path, and pace control. That means that you can work on the course when you want, where you want, how fast you want, and you get to choose what you want to work on too. So you have the course on your schedule, 0 through 8th period. And it's online, but we're here for you 24/7. The lab is open every single day if you want to come get some help. So you have the choice to come and work in class where I'm there to help you one-on-one, or you can work from home and keep in touch online. You get that power if you keep your grade above 70%. Come and check in at least once a week if you're in one of the after-school classes. And if you're in 5th or 6th period, you do have to finish the first unit before you get your flex card to leave campus. What's great is if you have blended 5th and 6th period, you can leave at lunch. So the lab opens with 0 period for math with Mr. Golden, and then I come at lunch, and I'm here till 4:30. You can come work in the lab anytime. And you can contact me at any time to get your one-on-one help as well. So you have my contact info here, and the website is very helpful as well. So practice these online skills at your own pace, taking control of your own learning with literature that you're interested in, and we'll customize it for you so that you're successful. First thing that you need to do to get connected with me is to set up your Gmail account. Now, you just need your first and last name. You may already have one. Otherwise, create one for the course. Step 2, send me your info. I need a text and an email so that we can fill up our address books with information so that we're in sync. Anytime you need questions answered, I'm here for you. You're going to complete your orientation with this course code in your classroom this week, and then we'll get your first assignment scheduled for next Monday. And don't forget to tear off this bottom strip and swing it by Friday. So remember, you're going to attach a picture of the signature for that worksheet here, hit submit, and I'll give you your 10 points. Let me know if you have questions.